So your wireless charger sucks. And you know why? Because apart from charging, what else does it do? Nothing. So I'm about to expand your mind, so stick around. So welcome to What Gear Reviews. Consider subscribing if you enjoy tech reviews and loads of other tech related stuff. But now let's kick this video off with a question. Do you have a wireless charger? And if so, which one is it? Let me know in the comments below. So as it happens, I might be one of the first people to take a look at this wireless charger on YouTube. How about that?
Power at 400%.
How about that?
So this is a brand new product from Sandisk, and I'm sure you guys have probably heard of Sandisk. They make some of the best SD cards you can buy. And now we have a new wireless charger from Sandisk, and it's called the iXpand. And what this charger is going to do is bring a new layer to what we can expect wireless chargers to do. And that's thanks to the 256GB built-in storage on this wireless charging device. So what the iXpand wireless charger is going to do is back up all of your contacts, your photos and your videos locally, not to a cloud. So you actually physically have a backup of all your files on the wireless charger itself. The other cool thing about the iXpand wireless charger is you can have multiple profiles. So you can share this charger with your family, and when they rest their device on the charger, it will back up all of their contacts, photos and videos privately so that only they can access those. And when it comes to speed of the charger, it's at 10 watts, so that's still considered fast charging, and it comes with a 1.6 meter cable as well. So when you're positioning a wireless charger, you kind of want to have it in a convenient place, and this extra long cable is going to help you with that. And the iXpand wireless charger also has some safety features built in. Stuff like foreign object detection. So if you place something that shouldn't be wirelessly charging on this mat, it will detect that and not charge it. And it also has overcharging protection. So I assume a lot of you guys with wireless chargers already probably leave your phone on it overnight, and it could actually be damaging your battery. This actually will adapt. It has adaptive charging, and it will recognize when your battery is full, which means you won't find yourself waking up to your phone exploding next to your head. So the way this works is you download the app from the Play Store or the App Store, then you create a profile, and then as soon as it recognizes the base, you can then start to store files locally on the iXpand wireless charger. So this is a new element that Sandisk are bringing to wireless chargers, and I think as wireless chargers begin to evolve, sooner or later we won't actually even have to rest the device on the charger itself. You'll just walk into the room, you'll start charging and backing your files up, and I think this is the future. So the future looks bright, and this is definitely interesting, and if you guys want to check it out, there'll be a link below this video so you can check out the most up-to-date prices. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't be late.